Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Vlogmas day 6 and I'm filming my Black Friday haul, or what I got on Black Friday. I also included like 2 or 3 things that I got on Thanksgiving night, which were like the pre-Black Friday deals. Also, I did splurge my own money on these items, so please don't comment down below like I'm spoiled or anything. I get lots of those comments, surprisingly. And yeah, I'm 16, you guys. YouTube is like my job. I make money off of YouTube. So Thanksgiving night, we went to Best Buy, and by we, I mean me, Carly, Andrew, and Darian. And they ended up opening at 7 o'clock. We got there like a minute late, and we saw that the line was so hectic at the door, and it was freezing. So honestly, thank God we got there a minute late, because it was by the time that they started letting everyone in, and we kind of just hopped to the back of the line. So we weren't the first to everything, but I ran straight back to the cameras and like the equipment and all that. Literally, I'm not even joking, the camera that I'm filming on right now was all sold out, and I texted my mom. It was literally gone. Like, I'm not even joking. All the other cameras were stocked up, and this camera was all gone. I don't know if it's because they ran out, if people got to them before, or if they just didn't have any in stock. I doubt that. I feel like people got to it before me. I didn't even know this was like a good camera. I just saw it there. I asked if they had any in the back for whatever reason, or if they forgot to like stock it out. I don't know, because it was so weird, because all the other cameras were stocked full. Like, not one person touched any of the other cameras, and where this camera was sitting, it was just empty and there were no boxes there. Even though we were in the back of the line, I still didn't see anyone with like the camera box, or like anyone really in that aisle. It seemed kind of empty. Everyone was kind of at like the TVs and the monitors. So I just asked if they had it in the back, and they said no. So I texted my mom and I was like, they're all sold out of these cameras. But at Best Buy, I did end up getting a 128GB SD card, which I think it was like original like $100 something, and I ended up getting it for $30, which to me is still a lot for like a card. And I've been needing a new tripod because the one that I've been using broke. So yeah, I was looking at the tripods. I'm pretty sure the brand was Gripton or something like that. I don't know. I'll try and find it and put a picture right here. It was like original $50, and it was on sale for $20, which was a really, really good deal, because I got this one from Target for $20. I got the last one. And then after Best Buy, we ended up going to Walmart, because I was trying to look for this camera, and it said on their website that they had it. But Walmart was the craziest to me. It was so crowded. Literally, carts were jammed against carts. And people had carts like filled up to the top. I saw this one girl take something out of another person's cart. They literally had some parts of the store sectioned off. So I ended up asking where this Canon camera was, because it wasn't on the display. And I was wondering if it was like in the back behind like all the other cameras, like in the cases that they have. And it wasn't, and they said they didn't even sell the camera, which I showed them on the website that they had it, and they were like, oh, I don't know. And I was like, oh, okay, whatever. And then I get a text from my mom saying I got it, and I was like, got what? And she was like, the camera. And I was like, the SX740. And she was like, yes. And I was like, are you sure? Because like they were all sold out. She ended up going to a different Best Buy to get it, which I didn't even know there were any other Best Buys around the area. But yeah, my mom ended up finding the camera. Thank God. I was looking everywhere for this camera. So after Walmart, we went over to Kohl's, and I bought this black puffer vest. I love these, and I used to have one. It was like 3 years ago, and I really love them, and I haven't really seen them around since. I don't know if like they went out of style. And then I saw a whole bunch of these on display. They had a whole bunch of different colors. The tag to this says it's original $50, which I don't know who's paying $50 for this, because Kohl's always has like deals and coupons. Like, you never buy anything original price there. I don't know the exact amount that each of these items were, or what my total came to, but I know that I did get everything for like under $10, or mostly everything. And then I got these thigh-high boots. I waited in line forever for these, because I had already checked out with the puffer vest, because I thought I was done shopping, and then my sister took forever because she's obsessed with Kohl's. So I started looking like everywhere around the store, and I found these, and I love thigh-high boots. I already have a pair, but they're way too big for me, so I never wear them, and I'm actually selling them on Mercari, I don't know, link in the description. This is the brand So, and they were only $20, and that's not even counting like all the coupons and stuff that I used. I had 15% offs, I had Kohl's Cash, I had all of that stuff. I didn't really understand that stuff, but since my sister was with me, she kind of helped me. And these boots were like original $85, I'm pretty sure. And they were on sale for $20, and then I think I ended up getting them for $7, which I don't even know how Kohl's is in business anymore. And then while I was waiting, I also went in the makeup section and I got these two eyeshadow palettes. I'm pretty sure this is a Kohl's brand eyeshadow palette. It's Academy of Color, and it's a 9-shade shadow palette in the shade Metallic. I didn't test out the quality or anything because I couldn't in the store, but I just really love the colors, so I bought it. This is the 25 color Zodiac eyeshadow palette, and you guys, all of these shades are so beautiful, literally, and they're so incredibly metallic and pigmented. Like, if I were to swatch this, they're so nice, and they feel so nice too. Like, look at that. And I really love how this eyeshadow palette is set up. It has all of the like shimmer metallic shades around the edge, and then on the inside it has all of the matte shades, and then a pretty white highlighter in the middle of the palette, and it also has a big mirror. And then when I was standing in the line for checkout, I saw these earrings, and I just needed new earrings in general. I honestly didn't care like what brand they were or anything. Like, I don't need a certain type of earring. My ears aren't sensitive. I don't need like the nickel free or anything like that. That was all I got at Kohl's. And then on actual Black Friday, I went to American Eagle and I got these little cute velvet bow hair ties. I only got 2 things from American Eagle, but I also saw this Sherpa hoodie. These are really in this year. I'm seeing them everywhere. I think this was original like $70 or something like that. I don't know the exact price. I'm kind of just guessing, but I know it was something really, really expensive. And they were selling it for like $30. And then the mall that I happened to be in had a Victoria's Secret, so I went there. They were having this really good deal. It wasn't even buy one get one 50% off. It was buy one get one free. So I got this Victoria's Secret Bombshell perfume. I love the Bombshell smell. And I ended up getting a highlighter stick for free. I didn't know they had a makeup line. I haven't yet tried it out, but it's kind of like a pretty golden, like sun-kissed natural glow. This is their Major Lashes Volumizing Mascara. Again, have not tried it out yet. And it has a really big fluffy spoolie, which I don't tend to like in mascaras. I prefer more of like the hard comb through your lashes spoolie. But you could not see what it looked like because it was in like a weird like zip packaging. And that was $15, so I got something else free, which I got this Victoria's Secret lip plumper, which is also Bombshell. And then I went over to Ulta and I saw their ad, and I already had like a plan in my head of what I wanted to buy, and I ended up not following the plan and just buying a whole bunch of stuff. This was one of the things that I circled in like their flip through magazine. This is the LA Girl 35 color Revive eyeshadow palette, but just looking at these colors, honestly, there was one main color in this whole palette that convinced me to buy it. If you guessed this green shade, you are right. Looking at this eyeshadow palette, there are 35 colors, and there's more like kind of shimmery shades than matte. So this was only $20, and I think that's pretty good for all the shades that you're getting, and especially the shade range. I don't think it was on sale or anything. I think it is originally $20, so you're not really getting like any kind of deal. But I just wanted it in general. This packaging is so pretty too. Then I got the Makeup Revolution highlighter palette. I think those are gorgeous highlighter shades, especially this one. And also this packaging too is so pretty, and it also has a mirror right here. I've been super into Makeup Revolution lately, so I got their color correcting palette. This is a 8-shade palette that has like green tones, purples, peachy, and yellow tones to correct kind of whatever you need. But yeah, I don't have one of these in my collection, and I'm happy that I now have one. Then while I was in the drugstore section, I saw Essence, and I love Essence. I think they're a really, really great and high quality, cheap makeup brand, or at least high quality for their price point. And I said in my Christmas wishlist video that I usually splurge on their eyeliners every year because I love eyeliners. I wear winged eyeliner a lot, and unfortunately most of their eyeliners were sold out, so I literally bought the last ones that were left. If they had more, I would have bought more. But I got 4 of the Super Last eyeliners, and these are actually felt tip liners. I thought they were liquid liners because of their packaging. It is super hard to find like brush tip liquid liners. But yeah, these are felt tip. And the one with the blue lid is waterproof, and they only had one more left, so I could only buy one. I also just bought a whole bunch of little like drugstore makeup, like a Wet n Wild liquid highlighter, 2 of their liquid eyeshadows that are from Ulta Beauty. This one's in the shade Metallic, and this one is in the shade Smoky Quartz. A whole bunch of drugstore mascara there. And I also got a bunch of Duo brush on lash glue. I got the Maybelline Master Prime. And then the last thing, this was actually an online order from my boyfriend from BH Cosmetics, not Ulta. And it is the BH Cosmetics Sculpt and Blend Pink Fan Favorites. I have the Sculpt and Blend 1, 2, and 3, and now I have their fan favorites, which are limited edition. So yeah, I absolutely love these. Thank you so much, Darian. So that was all I got on Black Friday. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also comment down below what your favorite makeup product at Sephora is. And if you could ask for anything this Christmas, what would it be? Subscribe to my channel and turn on my notifications because I have a whole bunch of more vlogs coming out for Vlogmas, and I really don't want you to miss them. I love all of you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and bye guys!